Hey friends, if you wish to run a profile as an administrator in Windows Terminal, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now click on the download pointing arrow here. Wait. We'll open normal PowerShell and then we'll click on the download pointing arrow and select settings. Now on the list on the left hand side, you can go to profiles and then defaults. And there's something which says run this profile as administrator. Tick this and click on save. Now click on save once again. I'll tell you what will happen now. When you open Windows Terminal, okay, it will open as an administrator directly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.